What's up, Team Vegan 5th M? Right now we back in the kitchen and we're gonna show you how to make vegan pudding from scratch, because we're gonna make vegan banana pudding. So we want to show you how to do it from scratch, because a lot of people buy the, like regular people, they buy the vegan vanilla jello packs and they make the jello. They make the pudding out of the vegan jello packs, vanilla. But we making ours from scratch. You can make it however you want. You can look up other recipes, but this right here is a banging, amazing recipe to show you how to make vegan pudding from scratch. Now, put a little bit of this, about not that much, about a little over 2 ounces of milk. You could use cashew milk, you could use almond milk. Right there, that's almond milk. Then you want to add some bananas in there. You want brown bananas because you want it to be sweet. You want it to have a great taste. And you can add more milk once you see. You just don't want it to be watery and loose, like real loose. You want it to have substance. Alright. Now we're about to add some cream cheese in there. That's the cream cheese. Vegan cream cheese. To thicken it up, add some substance, like I said earlier. And we're going to put some cinnamon in there. And cinnamon enhances the flavor. A lot of people don't put cinnamon in there, but we're going to put cinnamon in there. And lucky we only got a little bit of cinnamon left, so we gotta go get some more cinnamon. Now you add a little bit of nutmeg. Be careful with the nutmeg, because nutmeg have a strong taste. You don't really want a lot. Like cinnamon, it won't mess up the taste. The nutmeg, you can overdo the nutmeg. And now you want to put your vanilla extract. And it's about a tablespoon. And you could be a little heavy-handed with the vanilla extract. So that was a little bit over a tablespoon. Now, you might gotta add more liquid to it. We're gonna see though. I should have got the let me get the piece to it. Then mash it down. Get it thick. So now what you do, get you some maple syrup or agave, add it in there. You could do it, add as much as you want. If you like it sweet, add a good amount. If not, don't add that much. But put a little bit more vanilla. Alright, now I'm about to taste it. Yeah, that's good. That's pretty good. Now, this what I'm gonna do. Hold on. We coming right back at y'all. Hold on real quick. I'm gonna add some lime to it. Cause the thing is, you're using bananas. And with banana pudding, you're using bananas, but you don't want this to taste like heavy bananas. You want it to actually taste like actual pudding. So now you can sprinkle a little bit of salt, not too much, just to bring out the flavor. And more banana because I want it, like I told you, I want it to have substance. Don't want it to be like watery running. But there we go. And we're gonna do it one more time. Mix it up. There we go. We got it. So I'm about to sit this in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Let it cool off. And then, I mean not cool off, because it's kind of warm, so I want it to thicken up a little bit more, and I want it to actually, like, get thicker. Alright, so now we prepping our bananas. You want to slice it, let me move these out the way. Slice it kind of thin. Alright, slice them thin. And with the 2 bananas at the end, we're going to mash them. Alright, I cut 2.5 bananas and we're going to smash 2.5. And you just want to smash it down. Make like a paste so you can spread it throughout the pudding. With the cookies and stuff. It don't have to be like perfect.
I don't have no turkey. I don't have no turkey.
Now say, what, you making some of this?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah? It's gonna be good? Alright, so that's how you want your mash to look. Alright, so we're gonna layer these.
Are they a tot? They are a tot.
That's it. Talk to the camera. Tell them what you're doing.
What you making? What?
A banana.
Alright, we got vegan vanilla wafers. Alright, now you can layer it. Stop now, see? And you can layer it however you want to do it. It's up to you. Alright. This is going to be the bomb. Bomb diggity. Right now, say? It's going to be good, ain't it? You waiting for yours? I'm going to throw a little banana right there.
And mine?
What? And yours?
Yeah.
Alright. So now I want to throw some cookies on top of that though.
I want turkey.
Not too many. You ain't got to do as much more.
I want turkey.
Alright, hold on. Alright. Now. This the mashed bananas. And you just spread that out. Alright, so now I'm gonna take your homemade pudding and just go over it.
How's that doing?
Hold on. You could throw like little bananas on top for decoration.
Oh, I'll do that too.
But we got enough cookies once you go to eat through it.
I didn't even that's what it is.
And look, it's another thing, trick. Break a couple up.
That's mine. I said that's mine. Oh, that's mine. Oh, that's mine.
Hold on. You could just throw them in there.
You like it?
Yeah.
How it taste, Don?
Do it.
What it taste like?
It tastes like a banana chip.
A banana what?
A banana chip.
A banana split.
Yeah.
What it taste like to y'all? What it taste like, Nasi?
Duh.
What else it taste like?
Ooh, that peppermint.
I don't tell her no peppermint.
It ain't no peppermint in it.
But alright, thank y'all for tuning in. Hope y'all like this video. Hope y'all like this recipe. If y'all try this video recipe, make sure y'all tag us in it or add us in it. Let us know how it came out. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell, because if you like these videos, we're gonna keep dropping these videos. And if y'all want to be the first to know, hit that notification bell and drop some comments. Hit the like button. We love y'all. We signing out. Make sure you go to our Instagram at vegan_fit_fam, and we signing out.